Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check the status of money transfer in Western Union. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, you just have to go to the transfer. Once the transfer has been done, you will receive a confirmation email. Go check out the confirmation email. You might find a code which is your tracking code. Once you receive the code, you're going to go ahead and access your Western Union's website. In the website, once you have there, make sure you're signed in and tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner and tap on the option of track a transfer. Once you do that, you have to now add the same code that you received in your email. Add in the code and tap on track it. You can choose, it will differ, including the I'm the sender or I'm the receiver. Choose the one that you is, and then you can add the number and tap on track it, and your tracking will, and then you will see the scheduled tracking over there, like where it is, how long it will take, and what has been done in the process. That is basically it. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.